5 seconds. Start. The matter came up for hearing before the High Court on a petition filed under Article 226 challenging impugned order passed by the competent authority. Full point. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that the order under challenge was passed without giving proper opportunity of hearing to the petitioner, and therefore the same is liable to be set aside. Full point. During the course of arguments, it was contended that the petitioner had submitted all relevant records before the department, however, those documents were not properly examined by the authority while passing the order. Full point. It was further submitted that the action of the respondent authority is arbitrary, unreasonable and contrary to the well settled principles of natural justice. Full point. The learned government advocate appearing for the respondents opposed the petition and submitted that the authority has acted strictly in accordance with the law. Full point. According to the respondents, sufficient opportunity was granted to the petitioner during the enquiry proceedings and the impugned order was passed only after careful consideration of all materials placed on record. Full point. Next para. After hearing both sides and upon perusal of the documents produced before the court, it appears that certain relevant aspects were not adequately considered by the authority. Full point. The record indicates that the petitioner had filed a detailed explanation along with supporting documents, but there is no clear discussion of those documents in the impugned order. Full point. This court is of the opinion that whenever an administrative or quasi-judicial authority passes an order affecting rights of a party, the authority is required to record proper reasons. Full point. A reasoned order not only ensures transparency but also enables the higher court to examine the correctness of the decision. Full point. In the present case, the impugned order does not reflect proper application of mind to the materials placed before the authority. Full point. Therefore, the order cannot be sustained in the eye of law and it deserves to be reconsidered by the competent authority. Full point. Accordingly, the impugned order is set aside and the matter is remanded to the respondent authority for fresh consideration in accordance with law. Full point. The authority shall provide reasonable opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and pass a speaking order within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of this order. Full point.